Would you believe me if I told you that I got this wig from Temu for only 180 rands? Yes, I said it. 180 rands. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be reinstalling this wig that I got from Temu. This is how the hair looks. I have worn it before. I've had it for just about a month and I think I've worn it 3 times. So today we are going to be reinstalling it. So I've just put it on my head and this is how it looks before install. I did cut it myself when I was installing it the first time, so I did make a mistake of cutting too much hair and now the lace is uneven, but that's fine. This install I'm going to be using the Glamour Spray, ORS olive oil wrap mousse, a hot comb, a rat tail comb and a white tooth comb. Right. You're going to go in with your Glamour Spray. We're going to wait for that to dry out until it does this. Then you know it's ready. I'm going to go in with my second coat. Wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, we're gonna start laying our wig, okay? We're going to wait for the glue to dry before we put on our headband. I like to use stockings because I just feel like it lays better with stockings instead of a melting band. Guys, the wig does tangle quite a lot, so while installing you're gonna need to be doing this quite a lot as well. You're going to be detangling the wig quite a lot. Okay guys, so once you have combed it out, then you can style it however you want or whatever. This is a reinstallation, so this wig already has a middle part, so that's what I'm going to be working with. I set my hot comb to 160 degrees and then I'm just going to, it's very hot guys, this hot comb. Yeah, so you need to be careful not to burn yourself. I'm going to try and revive the curls by putting on some of the mousse. We're just going to melt the lace. Okay, so we're done with the install. This is how the hair looks. If I have to rate this wig, I will give it a 7 out of 10. It is a synthetic wig. It does tangle, but it doesn't tangle as much. And you know, it's a proper wig. It's a proper wig. It lays very well. The only thing that I can say is that I laid it a bit far back, so my entire forehead is out. But otherwise, I like it. I think it's very proper. I think that it's very easy to install, and yeah, I love it. Yeah guys, this wig I bought it for 180 rands on Temu.